How to fix web servers is down error 521 in Google Chrome. To resolve the web server is down error 521 in Google Chrome, which typically occurs when your Cloudflare as a reverse proxy, it happens. So let's understand this problem, right? Because then it will become really easy to solve it. So error 521 indicates a Cloudflare is unable to connect to your original server. This can help for several reasons, including server downtime, firewall issue, or SSL certificate problem. Verify if your web service is operational. You can do this by accessing your server directly using its IP address. If it loads the issue like lies within your Cloudflare configuration, use the command line to ping your server or run a curl command and replace with https// on your website with your actual URL. A response of 200 means the server is online, right? So you can do this. Now next thing is that ensure that your server firewall is not blocking a Cloudflare IP address, which may need to whitelist these IPs in your .htaccess file or firewall settings. So check for any security plugin that might be interfering with Cloudflare request and adjust their settings accordingly. If you're using Cloudflare SSL settings, ensure that they are correctly configured. The recommended settings is full streak if you have a valid SSL certificate on your original server. If you encounter SSL issues, consider installing a Cloudflare Origin certificate on your server. And this is some of the solution which I've also mentioned. You can just try one by one and it will help you to solve this error. Thanks for watching.